If you want to upload requirements from outside of Confluence in an Excel format, you can use our Excel import feature. It is different from importing requirements as pages, as it will not allow you to edit the table, but it will allow you to reference those requirements on other pages and view them like other requirements in the search or in the matrix, and so on. This Excel import of new requirements is now located in the External Properties tab through the link Legacy Excel Import. If you're making great use of this feature and need to make it more accessible for your users, you can add it as a tab by going into the administration and manage apps to activate the module. Let's go back to the External Properties tab and click on the Legacy Excel import. Here, I'm importing a new file and attaching it to an already existing page. Click on Upload, and you'll be able to see an overview of your Excel file. Make sure the import is set to Yes, and map each column to the corresponding data, either key description or property. This will help you find them in the search, traceability, and more. When you're done, click on Import Requirements. You can now hover on those requirements to see their details. Let's try to look for those requirements in the search. Use the syntax with key and see they are correctly displayed here. If you want to link those Excel requirements to requirements written in Confluence, well, you can do it the same way as any other requirements. In Edit mode of your page, use the keyboard shortcut and type the key from Excel. See, in the pop-up link is showed, if you click on the requirement link, it will take you back to the Excel import screen. 2 tips about Excel files. If you want to edit requirements in an Excel file, you need to download it, edit it, then re-upload it. In our experience, this is too difficult, and customers prefer to copy-paste Excel files as Confluence tables because they are easier to edit in Confluence pages. There is sometimes a misunderstanding that it is possible to export requirements, modify them externally, and re-import them. This is not possible because it would require that the app modifies Confluence pages. However, you can modify external properties and use the Excel loop. Feel free to watch its tutorial. You're done. Feel free to try this feature and share your feedback. Visit our documentation site for more information or other tutorials.